Top 5 USB-C cable. Number 1. Product review. Amazon Basics, USB-C to USB-C 2.0. Fast charger cable. The Amazon Basics, USB-C to USB-C 2.0 fast charger cable is a product that stands out for its quality and reliability. With over 10 years of experience in the market, this product has proven to be a top choice for consumers from all walks of life. The cable boasts a USB Type-C connector, providing a secure and stable connection between devices. Its compatibility is impressive, covering a wide range of devices including iPhones, AirPods, iPads, MacBooks, iMacs, Samsung Galaxy series, Huawei smartphones, Xiaomi devices, and more. When it comes to technical details, this cable excels in several aspects. Firstly, the fast charging capabilities make it a convenient option for users who are always on the go. The USB-C 2.0 technology ensures a speedy and efficient charging experience, allowing you to power up your devices in no time. Furthermore, the build quality of the Amazon Basics USB-C to US.
Number 2 is discontinued by manufacturer. No language, English product dimensions, 1 inch 4 inches 5.21 inches, 0.04 ounces item model number, CAB 002BT1 MBK batteries, 1 lithium-ion batteries required. Date first available, February 20th, 2020. Manufacturer, Belkin, ASIN, B08558, B183. Country of origin, Vietnam. Best sellers rank, #267 in USB cables. The Belkin Boost Charge Braided USB-C to USB-A cord is a high-quality and reliable charging cable that offers convenience and durability. With its braided design, it provides added strength and flexibility, ensuring that it can withstand everyday wear and tear. One of the standout features of this product is its compatibility with various devices. It is designed to work seamlessly.
Number 3. INIU USB-C cable is a versatile and reliable product designed to meet the charging and data transfer needs of a wide range of devices. With its USB Type-C and USB-A connectors, this cable ensures compatibility with all USB-C cell phones, including Samsung, Google, LG, Xiaomi, OnePlus, and Huawei devices. It is also compatible with tablets such as iPad Pro 2018-2020, Samsung Tab S6, A7, and even the popular gaming console Nintendo Switch. One of the standout features of the INIU USB-C cable is its braided design, which adds durability and flexibility to the cable. This ensures that the cable remains tangle-free and resistant to everyday wear and tear, making it ideal for both personal and professional use. When it comes to charging speed, this cable doesn't disappoint. Featuring fast charging capability, it delivers an efficient and reliable charging experience for your devices. Whether you're charging your smartphone, tablet, or even Bluetooth speakers, the INIU USB-C cable E.
Number 4. The Basics. USB-C to USB-C 3.1 is a reliable and high-quality product offered by Amazon Basics. Designed with the latest USB Type-C connector, this cable is compatible with various devices such as laptops, including the Galaxy Note 7. One standout feature of this cable is its fast charging capability, allowing you to quickly charge your devices without worrying about lengthy charging times. The cable supports a data transfer rate of 10 gigabits per second, ensuring efficient and speedy data transfer between devices. Featuring a durable round shape and a male-to-male connector gender, the Basics USB-C to
Number 5. The Amazon Basics Micro USB to USB-A 3.0 charger cable is a reliable and high-quality product that is suitable for a wide range of users. With its impressive technical specifications and durable construction, this cable offers excellent performance and is a valuable addition to any tech setup. One of the key highlights of this cable is its high-speed data transfer rate of 480 megabits per second.